Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 13th, Wednesday, and we just got the CPI numbers out, so they're hot again. So they were expecting 8.8%. They came out at 9.1. So we got some fireworks overnight, and I got to say, the market actually held up pretty well. So if we come over here and we see we had that drop going into it, and then also overnight, we were watching the 15-minute time frame. They were in a downtrend, and the Moxie indicator was below zero, so we saw all that. But the market actually held up pretty well considering. And we do have the PPI numbers coming out, the producer price index numbers coming out tomorrow. So whenever you guys, it'll be out by the time you guys see this. And so that could be a little bit some fireworks, but the market is, for now, putting in higher lows, and it's working on it. You can see that it has this trend line, and we are trying to do something, but it is not easy. And it has just not really proven itself yet. The 15-minute Moxie indicator is still junky. It's still garbage here. You can see last time we were in just a lot of chop. The Moxie indicator took some time to work its way up. It wasn't the greatest, look. It wasn't the greatest situation yet. But we did have a trampoline move here on the hourly, and we did have a trampoline move here again. So we're trying to see if those things are going to hold and work out. So some indications that we could be putting in some sort of bottom, and there are names out there that are starting to shape up a bit. And if we look at this just from a larger perspective, there are some names that are trying to stop going down, and they're trying to work on moving up. As I said, none of this is super awesome yet, but they're trying. And you can see here even FCell trying to put in higher lows. We do have price trying to get over some of these moving averages on the daily chart. And they're just trying to work. They're having a hard time, but they're trying. And not everything is on board. There are names going up, there are names going sideways, and there are still names going down. So you're going to have to be careful of what you pick and how things are working out. ARK as another example of just names that are trying to pick themselves up off the floor and might have some opportunities. You can see that they have been trying to put in higher lows. And again, just like FCell, they have been trying to get over daily 50s. If we can finally show somehow, some way that there's some interest in these things and that they can actually get a legitimate move, great. But other than that, they've been struggling, and we're just having a hard time with them. So, hang on to your hats, see what we can do. And, maybe at some point, too many people will be on one side of the trade, and we can get this thing to actually move to the upside. So, let's do what we can, and I would say keep looking up for some of these names. Otherwise, yes, there are still plenty of names going down, and then there are just a lot of names that are tough and not worth trading. So be careful about what you pick, and good luck out there. See you guys at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.